Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to work this simple and easy shell stitch flower. These petals of these flowers are done using shell stitches where I will be working 5 double crochets per shell stitch. So let's see how it is done. For making this flower, I am using any colored yarn, tapestry needle, scissors as well as a 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let's see how this is done. Now depending upon the size of the flower, if you want the flower to be big, you can make more number of chains, and if you want it to be small, the number of chains can be lesser. So for this flower I have nearly chained 26 and then done the shells and work the flower. But if you want a flower bigger than this, you can go for 30, 34 as per your choice. But one thing that should be noted is that the number of chains should be even. So for this I'll be chaining 30. So I have done about 30 chains. Now I shall skip the first chain from the hook and work one single crochet into each chain till the end. So you just complete it. So I will be making just one double crochet into each stitch. You continue the sequence in the same way till the end of the row, making one single crochet into each stitch. So as you can see, I had initially chained about 30 chains and then skipping the first chain, work one single crochet in each of the chains. So in total I have 29 single crochets. Now for working the second row of the flower, I shall chain 1, turn my work and skip the first single crochet and work a shell of 5 double crochets into the second chain. So this is the second stitch in which I will be working 5 double crochet shell. Fine. So here I have done my first shell of 5 double crochets. Now I will work one single crochet into the next stitch. Again I will work a 5 double crochet shell into the next. So here I am done with my 5 double crochet shell. Again I will be working one single crochet into next. So the sequence is very simple. You have to make one shell of 5 double crochets followed by one single crochet. So this is the sequence that you have to follow till the end of this row. So as you can see, I have worked my round of shell stitches followed by single crochet stitches all the way around, and I have done about 14 shell stitches petals. Since I had chained 30, I got 14 shell stitches petals. But if you chain more, you will get more number of petals, and if you chain less, the number of petals will be lesser, and the size of the flower will vary depending upon that. So let's see how this is put together to form a kind of a flower. So I have to just wind it out in this format so that it gets nicely formed into a form of a flower. I have also left a long piece of yarn at the end so that I can use it to join the petals together to give it a nice shape of a flower. So you can see this has come into a cute little flower. I need to just now stitch from the back part of the flower to hold these petals tightly into place. Just stitch all the petals together by holding it from the center so that it doesn't get misplaced. I have to stitch it all the way, holding all the petals in place. Then come to the center part and stitch the first petal down so that it doesn't get de-aligned, and like this you can make a few stitches on the back part of the flower. So this is how a shell stitch flower is done. It's very easy and very quick to do and looks very cute too. Now in order to beautify it more, you can put a bead or a pearl in the center of this flower to make it more prettier. These can be used on top of a baby beanie or a baby frock to make it more beautiful. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this was useful for you. In case if you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.